What's this wet stuff, man? What's this wet stuff? You guys hadn't... Yeah, no. No, I don't think so. Big one? You look pretty good. It looks pretty good. Top water? I just gotta switch my top water out. Mine's not as nice as yours. He's pulling drag. Takes time. I'll get over there. Okay, cool. It looks good. I'll get over there and get a photo. That's a nice one. He might be 8. That sucker's huge, Barry. He's gonna, no, he's easy 8 or 9. Oh my God, that's a pig. That fish is big. That fish is 10. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's scary. That is a monster. Hold on. Let me get a picture. Here. Jeez, sucker. Oh wait, let me get a picture of that. Let me get it closer. I gotta get closer. Okay, here's a scale. First off, here, so fainter at me. How long it is. Holy cow, Barry, that fish is 20. Hold on, let me get a shot of that. That fish could be 12 pounds, Barry. Hold on. Hold, tilt the board towards me a little bit. All right, this could be one that we need to take in. Let's just see how he weighs up. You got a pig.
I just can't believe it. I did not think he was that big. If you'd have got off, I would have said, man, that was a nice pig.
Let's just put in this stuff. There you go. Good job, bud. Oh, how big? How big was it? Is it?
This one is taking me for a run. I ain't got him in yet, but I've been fighting for about 2 or 3 minutes.
Coming over. This is huge. Hold on.
This sucker's fun. A lot harder than this sucker's fun. A lot harder than the other. He's not as big as the other.
Oh, but he's pretty big. Holy cow. Well, let me get a picture.
Very big fish one had blow up on him.
And that little popper. You're killing me. Oh. Put his head on that over here. Well, he's good. Looks like a monster. 26-inch bass. Yeah. Show me his mouth. I'm getting this one. Right here. There he goes.
Big one.
He's got me wrapped up. He's got me on a stick. About like one of yours. I got him coming. Yep. Not as big as yours, but a decent fish. And then he swirled on that one. Oh. Yeah, buddy. All right, it's your turn to take some pictures. I don't. It may not be as big. It's not as big as yours, but buddy, it's a. Yep. Whew. I know. That's why I've been trying to get you to come out here. Like, man, this. Oh, man. That fish is huge.
Yeah, I mean,
Here.
these are not the only big fish we had on the pond that we just haven't.
I feel like I've somewhat redeemed myself a little bit.
Yeah,
All you gotta do is aim it, turn it, hold it sideways, and let me get it. Okay. Yep. Press the little button. Okay. Back out one more time, and all you got to do is point it, hold it straight up like this, and the center button.
Okay. You want me to get the Jackson?
Yeah. All right. And he got me wrapped up too.
Yeah.
Okay, fish.